how do you stay open and you're not there? Most restaurateurs, when I talk to them, I'm going to Nashville next week for 6 days. When I come back, I go to Italy for 2 weeks. And I travel 3, 4, 5 times a year. I get out of my restaurant for almost a week at a time, 5 days at a time. Every other restaurateur I meet is like, I wished I could do what you do. I have to close my restaurant. So I don't close, we stay open. That's the thing that shocks most restaurateurs. And I said, I have a great team. I have a fantastic team. How do you trust those people? How do I not trust the people on my team? If I've hired people on my team I don't trust, why have them on staff? So what is the ideal employee to begin with? Is this somebody who is a phenomenal cook? Or is it somebody who I can train? Is it somebody who's willing to learn? Is it somebody who has IQ versus EQ? Because at some point, that intelligence, my current chef, very intelligent, extremely intelligent, but he doesn't have that emotional quality, doesn't have that EQ that the staff are looking for underneath him. And don't get me wrong, leaders have to be the bad people at certain times. Good cop, bad cop. I do that a lot in my restaurant. I tell somebody else, hey, why is that person doing that again? Can you go tell him that I really don't like that and don't let him catch me doing that? So good cop, bad cop works out really good. And when they do it right, I'm like, wow, I'm so, this is that, I praise them. And they're like smirking, the person who I was the bad cop is like smirking like, it worked. I'm like, of course,